It's Thursday, May 14th. In the headlines, major health projects set for completion in the 2026-2027 financial year. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green announces ambitious plans for the sector. In business news, influential Jamaican businessman Dennis Layla has died. And credit cards will now provide proof of identity using artificial intelligence. Regionally, United Nations recognizes Barbados for its use of technology in agriculture. And in sports, Jamaica's ice hockey team records 2 wins in 3 games in Chicago. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.